recording. Okay, we need a better song. Like, yo. Hi, cha cha nya nya nya. Can I piss on your head and turn it yellow? You know what I like? Yellow rubber duckies. Rubber ducky, rubber duckies.
Yeah, that's my boob. Don't do that.
Your boob's not way out.
No, it was like right here. It was like, yeah, no.
I don't want to touch your titties. They're Jordy's.
They're mine.
Wee, 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 wee.
Ew. That's icky. Okay.
You know we're like.
Okay, if I turn around, all of a sudden I just see someone come out.
It was my tongue that came out, not a penis.
I never said you had one.
Oh, bullshit. You say I went all the time. Why are you grabbing? Oh, you're grabbing straight.
Penis liquor?
You cocksucker. You wiener sucker. You pussy licker. You're a pussy licker, you asshole.
You're fucking natty.
You poo-poo nanny. You asshole wiper.
You wanna look?
No. So you admit you do wipe asshole?
Nope.
Well, why'd you say wanna look? Why's your hair so staticky?
I don't know. It looks sexy tonight. Just kidding. Why you touch me?
What song is this? Okay, play
We
this for a
didn't
bit.
even. I didn't even copy the fucking
Yes,
song.
you did.
You didn't. You fucking.
Hey, you dim shit. You fuck poo-poo nanny.
Fucking suck it.
Go right there, you suck it. Suck it, suck it, suck it, suck it, suck it. I'll suck it.
No.
Suck your arm. Oh, your arm's right there.
I thought you